Are you happy? I am Ephthemios. I had to take a first breath to communicate the book Egonect. Egonect is available at Amazon. A Whisper 1772. We must keep in mind that the dissolving of the of our plain material body always starts from inwards. Whisper 1773. The dissolving of the body of the earthling always starts from the inside outwards, meaning from where real life lives, and so life never gets surprised or trapped in an empty body. Whisper 1774. Things that exist in space outside planet Earth do not alter at all, either in age, nor in a form, nor even in their status, quality, or color, meaning that they're only multiplying in visual quantity, size, and numbers, while the universes still are growing free of stress, since the familiar gravity and time do not reign totally active in their space yet. Whisper 1775. Everything out there always simply appears, jumps out of itself with unique self, calculated silent explosion, and spreads with absolutely mute and unconscious discipline, only just to continue its growth into many selves and never to stop its extension towards the quiet, vast, and friendly inner chaos, with the only hope, purpose, and reason being that perhaps at some point in time the earthlings will be able to visit these strange worlds or phenomenally different material of unimaginable value and recognize them and maybe use them. And so, because of that need of the earthling to animate themselves by just the meager glance of the human visual contact of planet Earth. Whisper 1776. The alive elements of planet Earth are alive in their own capacity and have captured and include in themselves all the available powers of nature. Whisper 1777. All material things live in their own special world with unique symbol, purpose, responsibility, and with a certain atomic composition and need, and they concentrate their thermal nucleus focus towards the need, protection, and preservation of all life, and a life chain of responsibility by always acting without overreacting, adjusting but not changing, or just maturing without ever reaching the nucleus of their cosmic nerve of ripeness, meaning that they still are not using their full potential, their unlimited force and total dimensions of individual power or energy. Whisper 1778. The silent and almost non-demanding attitude of cosmic elements, especially towards themselves, is simultaneously positive and negative. The full of wisdom and value of all forms of material life always belong to planet Earth for now, and which planet Earth acts as the brain of all cosmic cosmos, or as their first nature, and they are at the mercy and disposal of all their needs and appetite. EgoNect introduces ourself to our future self, Efthymius.